Hello and welcome back to RPAWizardsJ. In this video, I'm going to discuss about to the automating Excel with you modern design experience. In this second part, we will add more complexity to our project by expanding the scope of the automation. More precisely, we will add some Excel file formatting to the process as well as manipulating the data within the file and enable sheet protection. We'll continue using the project called Excel data consolidation from our previous video. If you watched part 1, maybe this will be very easy for you. If you are not watching part 1, so I have given the link below description. You can watch, then you will continue this video. We'll continue using the project called Excel data consolidation from our previous video. Here, we will add a new sequence since we'll have a high number of activity. So I'm going to add after, see this, I'm going to minimize this for each. After here, I am adding one sequence. For this sequence, I am adding formatting. Excel. We'll start with the UI automation called click. We want to add click activity here. I can check it here. Click, which will under UI automation. See here, I'm going with click. In this click, I'm going to give a format as table. Now let's indicate the element from the format as a table drop down. Excel file, we want to click on which is the format as table option and confirm our selection. So I am confirming this table selection. I'm just giving confirm. To select the specific option from the format as table dropdown, we will add a keyboard shortcut activity in which we will record our key combination in order. So for that, I'm adding keyboard shortcuts. So for this, I'm recording as drop down. So we will record our key combination in order, like just down, then again record and right, again record, down, again record, enter. Now we will add a type into activity which we will use to confirm where to insert the location of our data table inside the sheet. We will call this one type table range. Go down, right, down. You just enter. Now you can see the format as table. Now we have to add activity based on this. To achieve this, we'll need to pause the recording for enough time to select the format as table button and formatting type, then confirm the field we are interested in. Now, if you are going to click you are going to add type into. If your click indicate, it will show the error because here we have already opened this confirm button, so we have to cancel it now. Now we will go and we'll just indicate that we can pause it as of now and then select and this one. Now we are indicate this type into field. Confirm. Type this. I'm going to give a value symbol dollar a colon symbol $e. We need to the empty field before typing nor click before typing option. So we will select none for both. So far so good, but it appears that our table has headers. One way of check marking the My Tabs has header. Is by using check uncheck activity and then indicate the checkbox by slightly delaying the selection again. So now I'm going to cancel it. Here now I'm going to check and uncheck activity. Check and uncheck activity. Now I'm going to indicate. As of now I'm delaying it, selecting it. Again I'm going to select it. Now see, you can see it is not clicking here properly, right? Only the variable, its name or else this checkbox. For that you can change this over here. Now you can check. Likewise, you can select. Now again I'm doing this. Now I'm giving a pass, then I'm going to click and then going to click. Already it has selected, so now I'm going to change it over. Yes, this is what we need. I'm going to confirm it. confirm. Again, we have to click. See, now it is selected one. Okay, next, we need to confirm the create table dialog box, and to do that, we must click OK. For that, yeah, as you might have guessed, we will use another click activity, delay the selection a bit, and here we have it. To pass it, now going to select it. Now, yes, this is what we need. Now confirm. Once we have format our table, we can continue by adding create pivot table. Now I'm going to add create pivot table activity. Update the name here as month report sheet sale. As the source is pivot table itself. I'm going to go here pivot table. New table name as pivot table. The destination also the same, so I'm giving us pivot table. Moving to the input field, we will use agent name. Add pivot table field. Here I am using agent name. Agent name. Which will be a row. Yes, which will be the row. And case in next I'm going to add another pivot table field is here total sales. Now this is value, so automatically the function will be created. Now I'm going to add another one last value is profit per sale. Sales. This is also the value and the function will be created. So I'm giving a proper value. Name is agent name. Agent name as row. Total sales as values. Now it is looks good. 3 activities. If you want to graphically represent data, we will need a chart. So let's continue by adding the insert chart activity. To configure it, we'll specify the chart category, which for this demo will be like column, and while the chart type will be the stacked column. The data range field will be, we will add month report sheet pivot table. Now, since we are going to save as also the same sheets, so I'm giving the same as pivot table. I'm not going to change any charts, save any charts, so I'm leaving as empty. Now that we have processed the data we require from the Excel files, let's remove some sheets. We'll remove the default generated sheet 1. See, this here, this file has, generally it will create one sheet on its default sheet. So I'm going to delete the default sheet here. Now we will add delete sheet activity. Which sheet I'm going to delete? That is sheet 1. If you want to delete any sheets, we can use delete sheet activity. Now, another activity we can use in case we want to distribute an Excel file with no editing option is the protect a sheet activity. Let's say that we want to protect sales sheet. In this case, we'll rename the activity to protect sheet sales. So that we have to protect sheet sales. We are going to give a protection with password. For that, I am creating one variable password. Here, I am giving values as a default. Now I am going to give that variable here. Again, I'm copying the same activity for pivot table. The sheet name also we have to update here. Pivot table. Password is the same. That's it. Before we run this project, let's close all file in which is in the output. I'm going to delete from the project. Great. Let's give it run to see what happened. Let's check the project output folder and open the resulting Excel file month report. See, we have this is pivot table. We have protected this. We can check it. This is in protection mode. This is non-editable mode. And again, I'm going to show the sales. Yes, sales also we have protected. We are unable to change. At the same time, I never protected this one. So we have to protect it. See, you can see we have to protect if you need it. Everything seems to be in order. The project runs successfully. Can you think of a situation where you might need to consolidate data from two Excel files, arrange format the data, and then send the resulted Excel file with the specific right protector sheets? How about optimizing the process? Before we end the video, let's recall what we have learned today. In this video, we learned one way of automating the UI of Excel is by using the keyboard shortcuts activity. The check next one is to check and uncheck boxes in Excel. We must use check/uncheck activity. To create pivot table, we can use the create pivot table activity. To add chart in the Excel file, we can use the insert chart activity. To remove a sheet from the Excel file, we must use delete sheet activity. To disable editing on a specific sheet inside an actual Excel file, we must use the protector activity. That's it for today video. Thank you for watching and happy automation. If you like this video, please subscribe and click on the bell button and share this video. Happy automation. And we will meet again on the video.